So I'm gonna make another Lego video. This is my third Lego. I started making Lego videos when I was 7, and I'm 7 right now. So this is the robber truck, and this is the robber car. Here are the minifigures. So this is the robbers. I like how the style is. I know how it says 86, 70, I don't know what it says. It's just, it says 737868. And, this one right here is the police officer. I like how it has, the sweater, this jacket sweater. I like when it says police. So on the back of here, it has money, like real Lego money. This is something I do not know, or it's just like gas, or maybe to open this thing. Right here, I like how it has a steering wheel, comfy chair, and it says, I like how it says police, and there's one license plate here, and there's one license plate right here, and I like how it says police here too. I like the featured lights and the top here, and I forgot to put this thing on. Yeah, there we go. And the first Lego car right here, it says the first one. Right here we got one license plate. Wait, in the front. In the back we have no license plate. Like I said, I came from Ivan Vlogs. I make videos about Legos, and I like to do fun stuff. And here's the back thing right here. I like it, and it's kind of cool. And right here, there's something to do with. And I got these minifigures here. Don't forget to give me a comment, subscribe, like my video, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.